Are you looking for a home with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, panoramic mountain views, tons of privacy, and updates with a kitchen like this? This might be the home for you in Broomfield, Colorado. This particular home is right next door, as close as you can get to the Anthem and Anthem Highlands community in Broomfield. This is the oldest community in the baseline area of Broomfield, Colorado, and I love it here. The price point is under $500,000, and in this video what I'm going to do is a full pros and cons list of this exact home, the community, the city. So stick around. I've got a couple of things like the quality of the views, which you can't really see from the pictures, but I will show you in this video. And anyways, my name is Nick Ahrens with the North Denver Report. Reach out to me about this home or any others you're interested in, or if you just want a community or city comparison relocation guide, happy to get that over to you. My information is back at the bottom. Anyhow, let's jump straight into things. All right, so very first thing about this home is when you walk the front door, you've got the coat closet to the left, this big open space. I love how this wall acts as a little natural barrier between it, so it's not just one giant open room kind of feel. These were built by KB Homes. There's 3 different floor plans in the community, and I cannot wait to show you the views in this home. They are just amazing. First of all, let's start at this kitchen. We've got a big pantry space here. And all 3 floor plans in the community have this pantry right here. It's about the same size. And I like that it's really, really deep as well. Like, check this out. If I've got all the way to about to where my elbow is. So that's a really deep area here. Cabinets too, they're good size. They're not skimpy. They're not the little teeny short ones that you find in a lot of the new construction homes. They're actually pretty darn good length. So from the kitchen, I just love it's light, it's bright, it's open. Windows are west facing, which is really important when buying a home in Colorado. Helps a ton with the natural light that comes through. We've got plantation shutters throughout the entire home here. So check this out. So when we come back to this front door, so this has a storm door on it, which is this big glass door. So you can open up that front door, have nobody across. That is designated open space. It'll never get built on. The downside here, we do have a bit of a road here. However, I always tell first-time homebuyers or people who haven't seen as many homes as I have, I've been doing this over about 15 years. I've sold over 300 homes. Is typically when you have views like this, you will have some sort of a road. The alternative to have no road with the views, you got to jump a price point anywhere from $75,000 to $200,000, depending on the cost of the home in the particular community. But look at this. We've got a trail that goes around the entire outside of the community here. And check out those views. Those views are just absolutely phenomenal. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Just go up a little bit. Those views are just insane. All the way across. Behind this tree here that we saw, goes all the way out to the plains, nobody there. I'm gonna pan back right so you can see the view there too as well. We do have 2 very, very highly rated schools here. This one's in technically baseline, Prospect Ridge Academy, and we do have Thunder Vista P through 8 as well. I'm gonna zoom back out so you can get an idea here. The Thunder Vista is currently undergoing construction in the foundation of it. It's one of the top, I think 4% of all public schools in the state of Colorado. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna check out the back section of the home and then head right upstairs. So we do have a half bath downstairs. I like that it's a little bit off the kitchen. So the brand new construction has this door right next to the cooking area in the kitchen. Personally, not really a fan of that. But they are done just really, really well. Like I said, these were built by KB Homes. There was an option when these were being built to have a basement underneath the entire home or a crawl space. So this particular one does have the crawl space option, and the access to the crawl space in this community is right here. So it does have a crawl space that goes almost under the entire home, which adds tons and tons of storage options. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, side yard. So check this out. Drop the security bar there. But as you step out again, you just got views for days here. That's a 6-foot fence, privacy fence, so it is quite nice. This one, they decided to go turf. They wanted to go low maintenance. So they went turf and concrete and then back to turf through the yard here. There's parking there, there's parking here, there's parking down there, there's parking in the center of the community, and just behind that building there's a huge park with a playground which is great for kids in the center of the community. All right, the garages in these are giant, which is always a huge plus, especially when you live in Colorado, you live the outdoors, and you adventure a ton. So let's open it up. So you can see it's got additional storage that they've built in here. We're just gonna walk outside real quick. I'll show you a bit of the community. So I like that this also has nobody behind it. It's got a space, parking, then a grass area, then a yard, then a home. So in terms of location of a community, it's one of the best locations within the community because it has privacy on both sides of the home. So you can see that trail to the park starts right there. There's a little fence. It's got an actual little alcove for more storage here. I'm gonna go ahead and close the garage on the way in, and then we'll head back upstairs. All right, I cannot wait to show you guys upstairs and the views from that primary bedroom. They are just phenomenal. So in this one, we've got brand new carpets. We've got handrails actually on both sides of the stairs, which is a custom add-on from the homeowners here. So as we come up, we've got a bedroom to the left. This floor plan actually has this bedroom right there. There was a builder option to have it as a bedroom or an open loft. In this one, they decided to have it as an extra bedroom. When it is built into a bedroom, it's a pretty good sized bedroom actually. It's probably 9 by 11, 10 by 12, something like that. Has its own walk-in closet with its own window, so it keeps it light and bright in there. All right, so let's get out of this loft slash bedroom here. We'll go to the back and then we'll come over to the primary. So we've got bathroom here, looks great. Again, this is well under $500,000. If you guys are interested in this home or any others, let me know. So this particular community is within about a 30-minute drive to downtown Denver, downtown Boulder, and Denver International Airport. Here we go. Again, this is the part I'm most excited about. I cannot wait to show you guys this. Within 5 miles of this community, you're gonna be able to get to all your modern amenities. Tons of dentists, vets, shopping centers, Costco, Topgolf, movie theaters, Target, you name it, you're gonna be able to find it. So here we are. Look at those views. And again, you cannot find this under $500,000 in an area of these schools, these amenities, and all that. That building there is a data storage facility. So it'll be quiet as a computer all day, every day. Let's pull back again. So I'm trying to be a little quiet as well so you can hear some of the cars go by. It's actually very quiet inside. So here, let's pan back to the left. What we've got here is the primary bathroom. Done really well. And out this window as well. Here, check this out. Let me see if I can zoom in a little more this time, so you can really see what I'm looking at. Oops. So there's your open space, and then check this out. Just views for days. I just love these views here. There's another huge park I'm looking at right where those cars are making a left-hand turn, as well as over, I believe it's 48 miles of walking trails between the Anthem and the baseline communities here. Over a dozen pocket parks. It's just a very family-oriented, safe, great spot with great school districts. Here's your primary closet, walk in, which is nice. And then what's also great about this specific floor plan and the way they built these here is you've got your laundry setup separating everything else to keep that primary a bit quieter from everything else. So you've got mechanical stuff here. You've got linens and everything in here. Oh, sorry, linens on the other side. I'm thinking of the different floor plan here, but mechanical room, linen closet, and then upstairs laundry, so you don't have to bring your laundry up and down when you're doing it. So anybody with kids, you all know you're doing a lot of laundry, so this is always a huge bonus to have upstairs laundry. So let's head back downstairs. I'm about to show you that feeling from going downstairs into how the home actually feels. So from the landing, here's an overview. And we'll head back outside so you can see those views again. What I'll do here is we're gonna go outside and just make a right turn, a left turn, and that'll be a day. That'll be the end of the tour, but I do have one last thing for you. If you have made it this far, like, subscribe, comment on my post. It makes a huge difference for me, and I appreciate it so much. I respond to all comments. Again, if you have questions on this community, this home, other floor plans, any price range, any city, let me know. My contact information is back in the bio. Reach out to me directly. My cell phone number and my email are right in there. Typically, the best way to get a hold of me that most people do is text message. Anyway, here's the home. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Like, subscribe, comment, and I look forward to hearing from you guys soon.